Hello everyone, I still remember my humble self, Chukwuka Obilago, and I am addressing the Billion Coin community, okay? I'm a TBCian with a send button, a trusted seller, and an innovative TBCian who is providing e-commerce service to the Billion Coin community, okay? And the purpose of this video is not to talk about myself, but to address the issue that is plaguing some people or some TBCians who already have their send button. Because prior to the send button, a lot of people have been complaining, hey, we don't have send button, and a lot of saying a lot of trash about because they don't have send button. Now they have send button, and what do? Okay, what do? Some go to Facebook to post, like the one the admin stated right here. Some even go send message to my email box asking me to buy their TBC with BTC. I know some of them are scammers, okay, in the real sense, but these are some of the mails that other leaders I've been getting too, including the Whitefish lady. I watched one of her videos she did this week. She stated that too. So why are people doing this? Okay. Why are doing this? To me, why are they doing this? Even when they have a send button. The reason is this: they lack proper education. Okay, and the proper education, where is it going to come from? It's going to come from self, because the admin has done his very best to give us the blog. Meaning that if you want to become a bachelor of degree, a master's degree in TBC, you have to read the blog. And he started from inception of the blog of TBC in 2016 to create the blog, meaning that everything about TBC from inception to where we are heading is started on the blog. But people don't read. They don't watch videos. And when they have their send button, when they saw that the criteria to get the send button is by doing testimonial videos, they went and did testimonial videos. But guess what? They have their send button now. What next? Okay, I did a video before about this particular issue. Okay, and I told you that you have I think two options. One is selling the TBC, and one is shopping with TBC. Okay, and we have tried to solve the angle of shopping with TBC by providing the Billion Coin math. It's not perfect yet. Okay, but I believe as development happen within TBC, it will get to being to near perfect. Okay. But when a problem people have is when it comes to them cashing out their TBC. Cashing out meaning converting to fiat currency. Someone called me some days ago and was asking me how he can convert his TBC to cash. And I asked him, if you're an exchange, how does someone who is into exchange of who is into Bureau de change convert dollars to naira? Okay, they sell to somebody who has naira and get naira. If I have dollars now, I'll sell to somebody who has naira and I get naira. The person takes my dollar at a price. Okay, and the price is stable, just like in TBC. All you have to do is just check every day to know what the rate is. Then you now do your conversion to know how much TBC you're going to send to the person. But the problem is getting buyers. Okay, and some people following the instruction that has already been laid out in the blog or laid out in the Kringle Cash platform, where the voice of TBC have been doing trainings. They don't do that. They just sit, whine and complain about TBC and why it's not listed in the coin market cap. Okay, so enough of the rant though. I want to talk about the most important part of this video, okay, which is where the admin stated the problem and where admin stated the solution. Okay, so I'll go there. And by the way, I'm doing this presentation from the Billion Coin app. Okay, the app is designed to make it easy for you to get information from the admin while also monitoring your portfolio and also easily informing the TBC police, and also contacting TBC support in case you have technical issues. And I believe very well that the TBC app is solving the problem of people not of not solving the problem of notifying people when updates are available. Okay. All right. So let me dive straight into it. Okay. This is a very long write-up, but I'll start from here. All right, you guys already know that about the person that posted on Facebook. The admin did a screenshot above. You can also go and read this off for yourself. I'm just going to do a summary of the most important part. If you don't want to read through all of them, which I advise you read, you can watch this video and go back to the blog to read with understanding. Okay. All right, so here is how it goes. Okay, why didn't this person turn to the blog? Okay, you had a challenge about selling TBC. Why didn't the person go to the blog or to the Kringle Cash get paid today item on the menu of the Kringle Cash office? Well, perhaps they didn't know about the blog and the training site location, and because a pro person showed them that, it didn't seem like the best answer. Also, okay, well, perhaps, okay, all right, so apologies for that. Let me start all over again. Okay, why didn't this person turn to this blog and they get paid today item on the menu of their Kringle Cash office? Well, perhaps they did know about the blog and the training site location, and because a broke person showed them that, it didn't seem like the best answer. Also, the mass quantities of content in each could be overwhelming to a new person. The problem is people just love to take shortcuts. I'm being nice by saying it that way. Others would say people are lazy, which I totally agree. But I do understand people. If a broke person tells you there is treasure at the top of a mountain, you probably wouldn't believe them. But if a rich person told you that they got some of the treasure from the top of the same mountain, wild horses couldn't stop you from climbing to the top of it. Guys, this is going to be an ongoing problem as we build the TBC community. But you should know me by now. I don't present problems without also offering a solution to those problems. Partnering in a word is the solution. This poor person asking this sincere question is in desperate need of a partner. But why, you may ask? They already have a send button, and maybe they even have plenty of their own coin to sell. I suggest that a person like this find another member in TBC that is already having plenty of success in selling TBC and partner with them. Let me illustrate this in a story. A very poor person that is struggling daily to have just enough money to feed themselves inherits a whole mountain from a long lost uncle that passed away, and is told the mountain is full of gold. Hooray, they are rich. But wait a minute. On paper, yes, they are rich. Kind of like some of you that redeemed your cookies. Yes, on paper, you are very rich. But how is this very poor? How is this very poor and, let's say, highly uneducated person going to extract the gold out of the mountain? Well, perhaps out of haste and desperation, they just decide to sell the whole mountain to someone else at a sharp discount. And let it be their problem. Okay, and let it be their problem to figure out how to extract the gold out of it. Sound familiar? No. That would be a very bad idea. This mountain could leave them out of poverty permanently for multiple generations. This short-term solution will likely doom them to a lifetime of poverty if they sold it cheap. A better idea would be to find an honest partner. They will need to be very selective in their search for a partner, because a dishonest partner could doom them to lifelong poverty as well. The partner would have to be a person of means. The partner should already have a successful gold miner. Okay, I think I have made my point in this illustration. The moral of this story is, even if you have a send button, you should still seek out a partner to cut your teeth. as the saying goes, you have every tool you can ever want in TBC free of charge to build an income and unlock your fortune. But do you know how to use these tools? Partner up and become an apprentice first so that you could quickly master TBC. So where should a person in TBC go and find a partner? By the way, you're not limited on how many partners you can get in TBC. The best place to look is the testimonial page of the billioncoin.info. Okay, all right, so this is where I want to stop. Okay, you can go ahead and read the rest of the video, okay, the rest of the blog post. Okay, but I think the message is clear. Okay, the message is clear in what the admin is trying to show here, or trying to explain with this short story, is that the mountain is TBC. Okay, huge value, but you don't know how to mine that huge value. Okay, and the next thing you want to discount. Now he's talking about the discounters who see this huge value and they believe that by discounting that will get value, forgetting that by discounting they are selling off their future for short-term gain. Okay, they're selling their future for short-term gain, which is not good at all, not good for them at all. Okay, I won't say the community, for them not good at all, because it's putting them in a position of being in poverty instead of being out of poverty by multiple generations. They're trying to solve their problem now and sacrifice the future of the other generation. Okay, so the best solution is to partner with with someone, a TBCian who knows what he's doing. Okay, like me, I have lots of video educating people on TBC. My purpose on YouTube is to educate people about TBC so that people can hear my voice and understand that this is doable. All you have to do is just pay attention to the information on the blog and also buy some step-by-step solution which I will offer. They can, have success with TBC. Okay, so the bottom line of what he's trying to say is the best is to partner with a TBCian who knows what he's doing, and you cut your teeth. Cut your teeth means that you learn from this TBCian what he's doing, what's his secret, how is he making all this money. Okay, personally, I've paid out over $500 in commission to my partners. Okay, and how do they find me? Well, it's simple. They find me through my videos. I also have a long list of the people who I refer to TBC in my email list. Okay, but that's a topic for another day. Okay, if you are interested in partnering with me and learning from me, okay, all you have to do is hit me on the inbox or join the link below. Okay, the WhatsApp link below, and I will explain it more to you. Okay. All right, so this is what admin is saying. Partner with the person, learn from the person. Then you can now become an expert yourself in TBC. Okay, so guys, all the solution you need in TBC is in all the websites of TBC, whether it's the Kringle Cash promotional site, whether it's the billioncoin.info, whether it's your wallet. Okay, all the solution is right there. And they're all put together in the Billion Coin app. So by having the app, you have the power to make a lot of money with your TBC if you just bend down and follow the instructions, or by voice of TBC, okay, through his Kringle Cash reports on how you can get paid today. Or you can read the blogs of the TBC admin to understand the expos. Okay, he has been giving us insight on how to achieve this. Okay, then if you still want to shop with your TBC, you can head over and download the Billion Coin Mat and start shopping from there with your TBC. Though we're not fully 100% TBC, but majority of the products on ebooks are 100% TBC. Okay, then some other products which are genuine products are 50% TBC, 50% cash or Bitcoin or any other payment option that we have there. So guys, it's very important that you read the blog. Okay, if you're interested for a solution, okay, you hit me on my inbox on WhatsApp, or send me an email, or better still, join the WhatsApp group where I have my partners, okay, so that we can work and help each other out and also help the community. Okay, all right, guys, till I come your way next time. Take care and bye for now.